See him? Oh, he's wrapping me.
I'll make sure he
See him?
doesn't.
Oh, you're going away from me.
Here, you want to take a picture of him?
God.
I'm filming.
There's
Oh,
another
you're filming?
snake little guy.
This is what was trying to get our birds up in the birdhouse, and Miss Wonder Woman here decided to go up and get them.
In my nightgown at that. So I was laying in bed. So I'm sure we gave the neighbors a show.
Oh, this thing zooms up real good on filming. Thought that you said this didn't zoom.
It does, but not in.
let him go at? You can't let
The
him off the
airport
corn
is
cob
closed.
because-
Oh,
Why'd you let him go?
Wait a minute. Wait.
he bit you.
He didn't bite me.
He bit the glove, didn't he?
He bit my glove. Yeah.
Looked like he bit himself.
But
Yeah, let him out.
he's strong. You guys don't
He
realize.
stinks.
Dead.
Look how.
Ew,
No
look,
wonder.
he-
Look how big he is.
Dead.
did something
Steven
on
said
me.
let
He
him off
stinks.
his genocide.
Ew,
Look at the size of him.
Ew, he does stink.
He is
Hey, look
big.
what he did to me.
ew.
Look on his body.
He
Right here.
jade on Ba.
Jade. What the hell is Jade?
Ew.
He's strong.
Yeah.
He's so strong. He bent himself.
Yeah, he just...
Jade on Ba.
Jade,
Or
Jade on
E Jade on Ba.
E Jade. Oh my God.